Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to enable and set up Google Assistant on Android phone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to enable and set up Google Assistant in your phone. First of all, you have to install Google app in your phone. So go to your Play Store and search for Google and install the Google app on your phone. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch Google app and make sure to sign into your Google account here. Now tap on your profile photo and just tap on settings, and here tap on Google Assistant. Tap on Hey Google and voice match and enable Hey Google. Access your assistant with Hey Google. If you act, assistant will wait in standby mode to detect Hey Google. Hey Google also requires voice match so your assistant can recognize you. Now you have to scan your voice. So tap on more, tap on I agree. Allow Google to record audio, tap on while using the app, and now start your voice recording to scan. First of all, say, Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And once you successfully completed your voice scanning process, here we can see I've successfully enabled Hey Google. Now just tapping on next. And that's it. Now it's time to use Hey Google or Google Assistant on my iPhone. So here's I'm saying, Hey Google, turn on my camera. And as you can see, Google Assistant successfully opened my camera app. So this is how we can enable and set up Google Assistant on Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.